Yo, what's good, fam? Hope y'all ready for some fire today. Today got something special for all my rap enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the heart of the rap game. We're going deep into the world of battle rap with a diss track named Straight Up Big Zulu. This one's gonna be intense. Yeah, you heard that right, Big Zulu, the man who's been making waves. But today we're gonna see a different side of him. Now let's get this show on the road. Buckle up, it's about to get real.
It drops. Yo. Yo, 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 Big Zulu. You think you're the king, you think you run this game, but your time's up, man, here comes the sting. This is where the truth comes out. You're flexing with them dreadlocks, thinking you're fly, but let's break it down. But I see through the facade, you're just a regular guy. No more hiding behind the image. Remember the days you hustled as a taxi driver? Yeah, those were the days. Now you're big in the game, but you're still a survivor. You've come a long way, but let's keep it real. Your record company trying to build an empire, but is it all just smoke and mirrors? But your bars are weak, man, they barely inspire. Where's the passion? Where's the fire? You claim to be the future of hip-hop, no lie, but let's see if you can back it up. But your rhymes are tired, it's time to say goodbye. The game's evolving and you're getting left behind. You think you're untouchable up on the throne, but every king has his day. But this track's gonna cut you to the bone. No more hiding, no more games. Yo, it drops. Yo, 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 you Big Zulu, you got some hype, but let's see if you can handle the heat. But your verses, man, they just ain't tight. It's time to step up or step aside. You might have the looks, you might have the fame, but where's the substance? But when it comes to skills, you ain't in the game. It's time to face the music. Your dreadlocks, man, they just a disguise, a mask you wear to cover up the fact you ain't that wise. The truth always comes out. Your record label thinking that's all that, but what's the reality? But all it produces is some mediocre rap. Where's the innovation? Where's the creativity? You were a taxi driver, now you're switching lanes, but can you keep up? But your past, man, it still remains. You can't outrun your history. You think you're the future, but you're stuck in the past. It's time to move forward. This diss track, Zulu, it's your last, the final chapter in the saga. So listen up, Zulu, here's the truth revealed. No more hiding, you're just another player trying to get a deal. But can you keep it real? You might have the fame, you might have the fans, but what's it worth? The real hip-hop heads, they understand. They see through the facade. Your time in the spotlight is just a phase, a fleeting moment. In the world of rap, you're just another craze. Here today, gone tomorrow. So step aside, man, and take a seat. It's time for a new era. This diss track's the end and make defeat the truth, 'cause be